H2 receptor blocker या antagonist, cimetidine, ranitidine, famotidine, nazatidine. Once these receptors block or competitively inhibiting histamine binding, these intracellular signalings are stopped. So protein kinase is not stimulating. When this is not stimulating, the special protein synthesis is stopped in the form of protons pump and decreasing acid production, mean it is anti-acid effect. And this is the main required pharmacological action of H2 receptor blockers. Besides this beneficial action, the blocking of H2 receptor also decreasing calcium level, and there is a relaxation of JT muscles, and this producing specially constipation, especially cimetidine. Decreased calcium, decreased neurotransmitter release, so this creating confusion, hallucination, and even memory problem. Similarly, one problem with cimetidine is cimetidine and related product producing gynecomastia, galactorrhea, decreased libido. तो इसके लिए जो mechanism है, the old proposed mechanism was the increased production of prolactin hormones. How this increased hyperprolactemia caused by cimetidine? The mechanism is unknown. However, according to a research review articles, there is decreased metabolism of prolactin by liver, and this decreased metabolism is caused by cimetidine. Cimetidine inhibiting, decreasing the metabolism of prolactin, so the acid concentration is increased. One mechanism is cimetidine के लिए H2 receptor are present in hypothalamus, and in hypothalamus it interacting with intracellular signaling through unknown mechanism and in releasing the more prolactin hormones, and then they cause galactorrhea. The next mechanism according to Lippincott new edition is that cimetidine related drugs are non-steroidal anti-androgens. They are also known as androgen blocker or testosterone blocker. So when they block the testosterone receptor, androgen receptor, it producing decreased libido, gynecomastia, and galactorrhea. As the cimetidine decreasing acid production, so all those drugs which need acidic media for its absorption like ketoconazole must not be taken simultaneously. इसको at a time हरगिज़ इस्तेमाल न करें. Thank you for listening.